In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to ChatGPT seamlessly. This integration can significantly enhance your chatbot's capabilities and improve user interactions. So, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is generate an API key directly from OpenAI. This key will allow ManyChat to communicate with ChatGPT effectively. So go ahead and log into your OpenAI account. Once you're logged in, look for an option on the left menu that says API Keys. Next, you'll want to click on Create New Secret Key. Once you do that, make sure to give it a name that you'll remember, something like ManyChat Integration. This part is crucial, so don't rush through it. Once you've created the key, take a moment to copy that secret key immediately. Why? Because it will only display once, so make sure to save it in a secure place before moving on. Now that you've got your OpenAI API key saved, it's time to shift gears and jump into ManyChat. Open up your ManyChat account and log in. Once you're in, on the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Settings. Click on that. As you scroll down, look for the Extensions section, and under that, click on Integrations. Here we're going to find the option to connect to ChatGPT. Once you see the ChatGPT option, click to connect. This is where you'll paste the OpenAI API secret key that you copied earlier. After pasting it, click on Connect ChatGPT Account. Easy, right? Now that you're connected, let's move on to setting up your automation flow in ManyChat. Head over to the Automation tab and create a new flow. In this flow, you'll want to add a content node. Specifically, you'll need a data collection block to capture the user's questions effectively. Once that's set up, go ahead and add an action block. In this block, you'll select the ChatGPT action. Here's where things get interesting. You can choose which GPT model you prefer to use. Pay attention to the options available, as they can impact how the bot interacts with users. Also, write a clear system prompt that guides the model on how to respond. What's next? You'll need to set the user input field to capture the last text message sent by the user. This input serves as the context for the ChatGPT so that it can provide relevant responses tailored to the user's inquiry. Now let's create a text reply block. This block will display the custom user field containing ChatGPT's response. This step is pivotal for the user experience because it determines how the information is presented to the user. Once you have everything in place, make sure to test your flow to ensure everything works as expected. Finally, when you're satisfied with your setup and everything is functioning properly, click on Set Live to publish your chatbot flow. Voila! You've now connected ManyChat to ChatGPT, providing your users with an advanced conversational experience. So there you have it. You've successfully integrated ManyChat with ChatGPT. This powerful combination allows you to enrich user interactions and provide dynamic, intelligent responses. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.